Dogs and cats are considered enemies, but when a dog got badly injured, then these two cats decided to save him, and got him crossed the road and took him to a safe place. When a coyote broke into the city and attacked this girl, then her dog put his life in danger to save her. But it was not only the one who put his life in danger, but when this dog saw that a snake was running behind his owner, he caught that snake and threw it away and saved his owner's life. Wild dogs are considered very dangerous, but when a thief came to steal this girl's bag while walking on the road, then this wild dog attacked him and ran after him and drove him away. The condition of this man is such that he cannot even operate his own wheelchair, so when he goes out, his dog does this work. While walking on the road, this girl suddenly felt dizzy. Then this dog stopped a truck to ask for help. This video can make anyone emotional, because in this video it can be seen how this horse helps his disabled owner. So far we have seen how animals help humans, but in this video, you can see how a dog saves other dogs. Dogs and cats are very close to humans, so they can easily help humans. But in this video, these elephants can be seen helping humans. When a dog saw this man drowning, he immediately jumped to save him. Bulldogs are very dangerous, but when it comes to the safety of their owners, they do not back down. In this video, it can be shown that when two bears entered a house, how this bulldog made them run away from the house and saved the life of their owners. When four wild dogs attacked a small cat, then an adult cat came and saved its life. When a goose attacked a man, then this dog saved that man and the goose was also not hurt. When a man was drowning badly in water, and he even stopped moving, then the dog reached there at the right time, otherwise, he would have lost its life. I hope you enjoy the video. If you did, so hit like and subscribe to the channel.